Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to Elementor. This is a quick and essential feature that allows your website visitors to reach out to you directly, making it easier to capture leads, answer questions, or receive feedback. Let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything on your website, from content to design. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages. This is where WordPress stores all the individual pages that make up your site. Now look through the list of pages and find the one you want to edit. It could be your contact page, a landing page, or any other page where you'd like visitors to fill out a form. Once you've located it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Page Builder interface, which gives you full control over the layout and design of that page without needing to write any code. With Elementor open, you'll notice a left-hand panel filled with various widgets and tools. This is where all your design elements live. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type in Form Builder. This widget is specifically designed to help you create and customize contact forms quickly and easily. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to select it. Now drag and drop the Form Builder widget onto the section of your page where you want the contact form to appear. You can place it anywhere, whether that's in the header, middle, or footer of your page. Elementor's drag and drop functionality makes this process incredibly intuitive, so just drop it wherever it fits your design best. Here's the great part. The form will automatically generate with default fields like name, email, and message. These are the most common fields people use for contact forms, so Elementor gives you a ready-to-use setup right out of the box. You can leave it as is or customize it further by adding more fields, adjusting the styling, or changing the form's behavior in the settings panel on the left. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact form to your Elementor page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.